In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a company knowledge base in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable hub that your whole team can use to find answers fast and keep information up to date. We'll start by creating a central company home. In your Notion workspace sidebar, add a new page and name it something clear, like company home or knowledge base. Think of this as your front door. It should explain what people can find here and where to go next. Add a short welcome message and a brief description of the content it links to. Keep the layout simple and scannable. Create obvious sections such as HR, engineering, marketing, policies, and onboarding. Under each section, add links to the most important pages your team needs every day, things like benefits, engineering standards, brand assets, or onboarding checklists. Use clear page titles and consistent naming so people can predict where information lives. If you like, add an icon and cover to make the page recognizable at a glance. The goal is to make navigation effortless so that new and existing teammates always start here. Next, divide your workspace into team spaces. Team spaces in Notion act like dedicated neighborhoods for each department, such as HR, engineering, or marketing. From the sidebar, create a team space for each function and give it a straightforward name. Inside each one, set up a simple home page that explains the team scope and links back to the company home. This structure keeps work focused, reduces noise, and helps everyone understand which pages belong to which team. It also makes cross-linking easy. The company home points into each team space and each team space points back to the hub, giving you a tidy, two-way map. Finally, convert your high-level pages into wikis to maintain quality over time. Open a Pages menu with the three dots in the top right and choose Turn to Wiki. This adds helpful metadata properties like verification and owners. Owners make it clear who is responsible for keeping the page accurate, and the verification property signals whether the content is current. Use these fields to set expectations for reviews. So critical pages like policies, process guides, or team standards don't drift out of date. Reserve wikis for evergreen information that should be trusted by the whole company, and keep temporary or draft content as regular pages within the relevant team space. Over time, this simple approach ensures your knowledge base stays organized, searchable, and reliable. That's it: company home, team spaces, and wikis working together as one system. Thanks for watching.